Sorted plastic bottles enter specialized preparation machinery where rotating systems separate loose labels, caps, and other attached materials from the PET containers. PET. The prepared PET bottles enter enormous industrial granulators where powerful rotting blades crush them into small plastic flakes. Tips. The crushed PET flakes enter large industrial washing systems where high-pressure water and controlled mechanical agitation. Clean PET flakes travel through high-speed drying systems where centrifugal equipment and controlled hot air remove remaining moisture. The purified PET flakes enter massive heated extrusion systems where controlled temperatures melt them into a thin seglates. The molten recycled PET passes through precision spinnerets, containing hundreds of microscopic openings that transform. The strengthened recycled polyester fibers pass through specialized crimping machines that introduce controlled waves and bends into the otherwise straight filaments. The crimped recycled polyester fibers are processed through precision cutting systems that create uniform staple fibers for selected carpet yarn production methods. What began as discarded plastic bottles has become a durable finished flooring material. The final finishing stages are next.
Grills. The tufted carpet continues through a computerized patterning section where different recycled yarn colors combine to create detailed